Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have came with a good, really great trick. We spend so much money on smudge proof eyeliners and smudge proof kajals, but now I find a trick which can help you easily. Now this technique will help you so much because you can make any kajal or any eyeliner smudge proof. Isn't so great? And my voice is not a bit good because I'm not feeling well, so please mind my voice. So now are you excited to know how you can make any kajal or eyeliner smudge proof? Because I'm really excited to show you. Just start with doing this, and I am using this eyeliner. This is Eyetex Dazzler eyeliner, and this is not smudge proof, not waterproof. And I am not saying that this can help you with waterproof, but this will be smudge proof. So I am drawing two lines. Let's just start with doing this, and I am using this eyeliner. This is Eyetex Dazzler eyeliner, and this is not smudge proof, not waterproof. And I am not saying that this can help you with waterproof, but this will be smudge proof. So I am drawing two lines. You will know why later on. And now I am having two kajals with me right now. One is Mars kajal, which is just for 20-30 rupees. So this is also not smudge proof or not waterproof. And this is Lakme 9 to 5 kajal, which says it is smudge proof, like it lasts for 9 to 5 hours, but it totally does not, and it smudges so much. So let me just swatch Mars kajal first. Over here again I will go with two swatches. You can see it is so pigmented, so smooth. Just love this kajal. And now I will swatch this kajal. Here nothing like comparison or so is going on. Okay, so now I have swatched the eyeliner and the kajal. I have done two swatches. That is because one I can smudge and show you. So this is the eyeliner, and it is dry now completely. So I will smudge the second one. And can you see it smudges so easily? It is gone. And I will smudge this. This is the Mars Kajal, which again smudges so. And this is the Lakme 9 to 5. You can see this also smudge very much. And now these three are the swatches which we are gonna work with. I have powder in my brush which I am gonna apply to this. And you have to apply a nice amount of powder. And here as well. And you have to wait till it dries, not dries, but for 2 minutes you have to wait after applying the powder. Now after applying powder, you just have to dust the powder. This will make the color of the kajal or the liner a bit less, but then this is only the trick where you can do it smudge proof. So now I am just smudging it. Can you see it is not smudging? So good guys. Now let's go to kajal, and here can you see it is not smudging. I'm not saying that sorry, I'm not saying that this will be totally smudge proof. Yes, it can be a bit lighter, but yeah, it is not. See, I have smudged these eyeliners and kajal before you, but still they are not smudging. I can see this liner has become a bit lighter but not smudged. I also want to clear one thing, that after applying kajal over here, you can't apply powder because then it can go into your eyes. So, but what you can do is just take a bit of powder in your fingers and just apply underneath it. Because you can't apply the powder in your lower lash line, right? So this can also help it to be more long lasting. Yes, so you can do this one thing, or if you have applied the same kajal or any eyeliner on this, like I have applied, so you can simply apply the powder. So can you see this? And just want to dust it, and your eyeliner or the kajal will be smudge proof. Number 2, for making your kajal smudge proof, what you have to do is take the kajal, like if this is the kajal pencil, you have to remove this kajal from the pencil, and then you have to add just a bit of beeswax into it and make it in a microwave or in a double boiler, and again you can store it in a container, or if maybe it can go again in this so you can store it in as well, but this is very complicated and it is very difficult to find beeswax again. So this technique is very easy to apply powder and you are just done to go. Now these two tips and tricks were known by me, like I was doing playing with my makeup and I found this. You will be helped with this trick, and let me know in the comment section below if this tip worked for you or not, because this tip worked pretty well for me. So I hope this will work for you as well. If you enjoyed the video, then please give a big thumbs up, and if you want to see more such videos, then please subscribe to my channel and comment down below your difficulties, queries or suggestions. Enjoyed the video. See you in the next video. Bye.